The Gift of Words, the story of Thonmi Sambhota. Long ago, in the vast land of Tibet, lived a wise king named Songtsen Gampo. He dreamed of a way for his people to write down their stories, their laws, and their deepest wisdom. He knew just the person for this important task, a brilliant young scholar named Thonmi Sambhota. "Go to India," the king commanded, "and bring back the gift of writing." Thonmi Sambhota embarked on a long and challenging journey, crossing towering mountains and vast plains, his heart filled with purpose. In India, he spent many years learning Sanskrit and other ancient scripts, mastering grammar and the art of language from the wisest teachers. Finally, with his mind brimming with knowledge and his bags filled with precious texts, Thonmi Sambhota began his journey home to Tibet. Back in his homeland, Thonmi Sambhota worked tirelessly. He took inspiration from Indian scripts, but carefully crafted a new alphabet, perfectly suited for the beautiful sounds of the Tibetan language. He didn't stop there. He also wrote the very first grammar books for Tibetan, teaching everyone how to read and write their new, wonderful language. Thanks to Thonmi Sambhota, Tibetans could now translate thousands of sacred Buddhist texts, sharing wisdom that had traveled from far-off lands. His work helped preserve their history, tell new stories, and create a rich, vibrant literary tradition that would last for centuries. That is why Thonmi Sambhota is forever remembered as the father of Tibetan writing, a true hero who gave Tibet the gift of words, shaping its heart and soul for generations to come.